good morning. As we discussed last class, I pitched nomenclature of some of the example of what haloalkanes. Okay. Today we are going to discuss the next one is classification of haloalkanes. The next heading is what? Classification of haloalkanes. Classification of what? Haloalkanes. Haloalkanes are classified on the basis of what the halogen atom is going to attach to the carbon. Okay, first in this case classification is primary haloalkanes, important primary haloalkanes, primary haloalkanes. Okay. Next second one is what? Secondary haloalkanes, secondary haloalkanes. Next third one is tertiary haloalkanes, tertiary haloalkanes. Okay. Just see here, first in this case what? Primary haloalkanes, primary haloalkanes. Okay. I will tell you a very simple way, do not behind the things, just you have to remember example, and with the help of the example you have to write a definition. Sometimes they are going to ask you what is primary haloalkanes and it is look like what it is look like. Okay. Such kind of question they are going to ask you. Okay. Primary haloalkane, just see here, first I am going to consider an example. Just see here, this is what CH3 is there. Next in this case what? This is a CH2, this is what? X. Okay. Last video I told X means what? Halogens, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and next one is what? Iodine. Okay. This is a general example of what? Primary haloalkanes. Okay. Just see here, a correct example CH3, next one is what? CH2 is there. In this case this halogen means this X I am going to consider in this case what? Chlorine. You have to consider iodine, fluorine, and next one is what? Bromine, no problem. But usually fluorine, chlorine usually they are not going to consider because of fluorine is a more electronegative element, that is why that is having a what? Attraction power is more. Okay. CH3, CH2, this is what? Cl is there. Okay. Now tell me what is the IPH name of this one? Last video I told that point. No, in this case what? 1-chloroethane. This is the IPH nomenclature of what? This one. Just see here, primary haloalkanes means this halogen atom attached to this carbon. Okay. This carbon containing what? 2 hydrogen atom, that is called what? Primary haloalkanes. I repeat one more time, very simple. This halogen atom attached to this carbon containing what? 2 hydrogen atom, that is called what? Primary haloalkanes. Very simple definition. Next another example I am going to consider, this is what? You have to take CH3, next one is what? This is CH2, next one is what? CH2, next this is attached with what? Bromo. Okay, just here this bromine atom directly attached to this carbon containing how many hydrogens? 2 hydrogens, that is why in this case what? Bromopropane, 1 bromopropane is the IPH nomenclature of what? This one. The next one is what? That is second one is what? Secondary haloalkanes. In this case example, general example I am going to write, this is what? CH3 is there, next this is what? C is there, next here one is what? Hydrogen attached with what? X, here is what? X. Just here, this is general formula of what? Secondary haloalkanes. Just here in this case this halogen this otherwise you have to take, but right, no problem. In this case this carbon containing only 1 hydrogen atom, this carbon containing what? Only 1 hydrogen atom, that is called what? Secondary. Just here this carbon containing 2 hydrogen atom, this halogen atom attached to this carbon containing 2 hydrogen atom, next this halogen atom attached to this carbon containing what? Only 1 hydrogen atom, that is indicate what? Secondary haloalkanes. Okay. Next after that what? Tertiary haloalkanes. Tertiary haloalkanes means what? Just see here, example for tertiary haloalkanes, here CH3 is there, next this is what? C attached with what? In this case what? Cl is there, next after that in this case another Cl, next this is called what? Another Cl. Okay. This one is indicate what? Tertiary haloalkane. Okay. In this case important is what? This carbon do not containing any of the hydrogen, that is indicate what? Tertiary haloalkanes. Okay. This is one method is there. You have to take another example for in this case tertiary haloalkanes. Okay. Just see here, 2 methods are there, primary, secondary and tertiary, 2 methods are there for find out. Tertiary means what? This is the carbon is there, this one is what? R, this is what? R, this is what? R, next in this case what? Attached with what? Any of the halogens. Okay. This one is indicate what? Tertiary haloalkanes. Okay. this is indicate what tertiary haloalkanes. This carbon do not containing any of the hydrogen. Okay, this is what tertiary. In secondary, in this case, this is also right example. You have to take another example for secondary, no problem. That is CS3 is there. Next, this is what C. Next one is what CS3. Here one hydrogen. You have to take in this case Cl. This is indicate also what a secondary haloalkane. This one is what a tertiary haloalkanes. Okay, this is two method. One method with the help of the hydrogen we are going to determine. Another method with the help of the alkyl group. Alkyl group means what? In this case, just see here. This CS3 is indicate what? Alkyl group. Generally, we are going to write like this RCH2. This is what? X. This one is indicate what? Alkyl group. Means this R is indicate what? Alkyl group. Alkyl group may be, just here. This R may be what? CS3. This R may be what? CS3 or C2H5 or C3H7 etc. That is indicate what? Alkyl group. Only one alkyl group is there, that is called what? Primary. Two alkyl groups are, it is called what? Secondary. Three alkyl groups are there, that is called what? Tertiary. Okay, these three example of what? The primary, secondary, next one is what? Tertiary haloalkanes. So, next important what? These all these examples are come under a what? Monohaloalkanes, except this one, because of this is containing two halogen, it will come under dihaloalkanes. The next heading we are going to study about what? Dihaloalkanes. Okay, di means what? Two. Mono means what? One. Tri means what? Three. Okay. Next one is what? Next heading is what? Dihaloalkanes. 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 Okay. Just see here, di means what? That is two halogens. Okay. In this case, very simple definition of dihaloalkanes, replacing two hydrogen atom by two halogen atom, that is called what? Dihaloalkanes. Okay. Very simple definition you have to write, replacing two hydrogen atom by two halogen atom, that is called dihaloalkanes. In dihaloalkane, the first one is important, they are going to ask you 2 marks. That is what is geminal dihalides? Give an example. The heading of this one is what? Geminal dihalides. Geminal dihalides or gem dihalides. Gem dihalides. Gem dihalides. Okay. Just here, geminal dihalides or gem dihalides. What is the definition of this one? Definition is a very simple. In this case, means geminal dihalides, it will come under a what? Dihaloalkanes. If you want, you can write that point. Geminal dihalides will come under a dihalo. It is a dihaloalkanes. You have to write like this. It is a dihaloalkane. First point. It is a dihaloalkanes. Okay. No. Next, what is the definition of geminal dihalides? Very simple definition. Two halogen atom directly attached to the same carbon atom, that is called what? Geminal dihalides. First, I am going to write an example. With the help of the example, you have to write a definition. Just see here, this is what CS3 is there. This is attached with what? Carbon. This carbon containing one Cl. In this case, another Cl. Next, attached with what? Hydrogen. Okay, this is example of what? Geminal dihalide. Just here, this is called 1, this is what? 2. What is the IUPAC nomenclature? In this case 1, this is containing what? 2 halogen, 1 comma 1 dichloroethane. It is an example of what? Geminal dihalides. The definition is very simple. Don't bad the definition, just see here. 2 halogen atom directly attached to the same carbon atom, that is called what? Geminal dihalides. Okay. If you want, you can write IUPAC nomenclature here. 1 comma 1 dichloroethane. This is the what? IUPAC nomenclature. Okay. Next after that, another example. This one. Next, this is attached with what? In this case, Br. Just here, this is what? 1, carbon number 1. Okay, attached with what? Br. What is the IUPAC name of this one? 1 bromo 1 methyl cyclohexene. 1 bromo 1 methyl cyclohexene. ENE, because of what? Double bond. Cyclohexene. Okay, that is indicate what? Double bond. Just here in this case important point in general they called as a alkylidine dihalide, most important point in this case. In general they called as a alkylidine dihalides, alkylidine dihalides, okay, alkylidine dihalides, okay. This is most important, one time they asked in an entrance exam, okay. Some of the students are going to think about ENE containing what? A double one, not like that, okay. This is the in general form of alkylidine dihalide. Now tell me with the help of this point, now tell me what is the name of this one? Very simple, in this case 2 carbons are there, that is indicate what? Ethylidine. 2 chlorines atoms are there, that is why in this case ethylidine dichloride, that is a what name? Very simple, ethylidine, ENE, ethylidine dichloride, okay. This is the name of what? This one, okay. Next in this case also same, this is indicate what? With help of this one you have to write in general name of what? This 1 bromo 1 methyl cyclohexane, okay. Thank you.